Oh, hello. How are you? My name is Ms. G. Miss G. And I'm an art teacher and an artist, just like you. Today, I am exploring nature. Nature. Did you know that nature is art? We have art all around us because nature is art. Nature is one of my favorite art forms because it has color and texture. Nature has all of the colors. We can find red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, all in nature. Nature has texture. It has rough, bumpy, and smooth. Rough, bumpy, and smooth. Today, I'm thinking about something specific in nature. Do you want a hint? Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Did you guess frog? That's right. Here is a picture of a frog that I took when I was walking in the woods by my home. When I was noticing the frog, I saw that it had bumpy texture. I saw that its eyes had smooth texture. And the leaves underneath the frog were rough. Can you notice some colors in this picture too? I see green. I see yellow. And I see brown. What else do you notice about this picture? What else do you see? I love nature and art so much that I wrote a song about it, and I want to share it with you. Nature is art, and art is nature. Nature is art, and art is nature. We've got color in nature, it's true. There's red, yellow, and blue. Red, yellow, and blue make orange, green, and purple. We've got texture in nature, it's true. There's rough, bumpy, and smooth. Rough, bumpy, and smooth. And slimy, sticky, fuzzy, and furry. Look outside your window, what do you see? I see trees and cement smiling back at me. Look outside your window, what do you know? I see texture and color ready to flow. 'Cause nature is art, and art is nature. Nature is art, and art is nature. But what about the things that we cannot see? Like wind and heat and electricity. Electricity is science using creativity. All come from the earth and all are art. Texture and color are just a start. 'Cause nature is art, and art is nature. Nature is art, and art is nature. Thank you for being with me today. Now, go find some art.